I'm here at the performance management. I'm creating a performance plan, setting goals and KPIs, competencies for a particular employee. So it's like appraisal form. So I'm a manager. I can create one on behalf of employee, or if I allow the employee to do it, they can do it themselves. I can associate and link the form template with a specific employee. Um, also, you can allocate weight of every applicable competency, KPIs, and goals according to the weightage that was defined in the form in the company. In addition, the selected form has goals as one of the components. Then you'll be able to define the goals, the measurement, and the weight. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to come here, I'm going to select the employee, and then I would select which form, because we might have multiple form, but I want to use the sales team form because he is a sales manager, and the performance cycle, and I'll choose the 2020 year. So this will be the year. Now I can see here how is the components are distributed, and I can click here on you can see here the competencies, the KPIs, and the goals. So if I click on competencies here, you'll see that there are two competencies: customer service and leadership, and the total weight is 30. So since I have two, I have to distribute that weight between those two. So I'm gonna add 20% here, and then I'll add 10% here. So that's the total. I can also, I'll go to KPIs, and it's also a 40%. I see that there's sales executives for sales manager. Those KPIs, I'll make this 15, and also I'll add this 15%, so they have equal rating. If I want to check the rating, I can just click here and I'll see how the rating is. Finally, I'll go to the goals, and as you can see here, the goals you can add. So I want to select from the type. I'm going to create financial, and the goal, I'll say the goal net profit. And the target will be 20% increase from last year. And the weight, I'll put 20% of this, and then I'll save. See, I can see it here. Then I can add another one, and I will call it, for example, customer. Say customer retention, and goal is 90% of existing customers, and I can add the weight as 20%, and then I save. So now we have all components addressed, and you can keep a remark here. You can save draft, okay, if you're still not sure that this is finalized, or you have you want to consult with a manager or even the employee. So I can save draft here, and here tell me that the KPIs should be 40%, so I'm gonna make this 20, and this is 20, and this is wrong because 2020, so I'm gonna make this 15 and this 15, and then I'll save draft. Now as you can see, this is pending. I can have a quick response, I can print, I can approve, I can reject, I can edit, I can and then once I can edit if I want to revise it, or even I can print it if I want. So here I can see the printout, and I see every single component and the weight. Now I will approve this. And it will be here. Now remember also that in user rights, you can define the approval and the workflow. So you can come to workflow here, and you can choose what the what's the workflow for the plan, for the performance plan, mid review, and performance evaluation. Thank you.